Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna draw a cute birthday cake. And if you're celebrating a happy birthday, well, happy birthday to you. Okay, so we're gonna start off by drawing a rectangle. So this will be the base of the cake. Okay, we're gonna just join these lines. All right, so one line up, across, down, and across again. Okay, so now we're gonna draw another sponge, the layer of the cake. So it's another rectangle, so one line up, across, and then down, okay? So that's two layers, and now we'll do a third one. Okay, one line down, across, and down. Okay, so we have different sizes. We have a big rectangle, okay, medium size rectangle, and a smaller size rectangle. The plate. Okay, so we can make it a little bit of a rounded shape. So a curved line, and bring it all the way across, and then we'll curve it just like that, okay? All right, and then the candles. So we'll draw another rectangle, a line down, across, down again, line down, across, down again, and the third candle, line down, across, and down. The little flame, the candles, so just sort of like a leaf shape. Okay, little curled lines up and down. If we want to make it into a cartoon looking cake, we'll draw two circles, and you can shade in the little pupils, a little arch, the line over, and then in the middle, you can shade in a little pupil. You could add little eyebrows. And for the mouth, a nice smile, and you could even draw sort of like a little tongue because it looks like a delicious cake. Okay, so why don't we add some of the icing? So all you have to do is just draw squiggly lines up and down, and then we'll do it to the second part of the cake, up and down, and then the top. Squiggly lines, up and down, Now let's color our cake. And you can use whatever color you like. It can be a strawberry cake, it can be a chocolate cake, vanilla, whatever flavor you prefer, you can use the colors, okay? So while I'm coloring the cake, I also want to share some little interesting facts about the earliest cakes, and they were actually very flat. In the Middle Ages, it was a flat, round piece of bread. And the birthday cake originated in Germany. And cakes were seen as a symbol of joy, sweetness, and good fortune. And National Cake Day is November 26th. So be sure to eat a nice slice of cake. Okay, so in the past, they would sometimes spread icing, and they would actually use a feather to do that. But now we use special baking tools to put on the icing. I'm also going to add some little sprinkles around the cake. So I'm going to add just little dots here and there. This is like a baby blue. Okay, and I'm just gonna randomly go around it with the different colors. A little bit of orange here. Okay. And a little bit of the red. Okay. And for the candles, I'm going to color it in purple. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So that's a nice little song I'd like to sing to you as well if it is your birthday. And the last part for the platter, I'm gonna color it, I'm gonna make it match the candles bright purple. Okay. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna color the little tongue here. And just for the eyes, I'm gonna use a little pale pink here. Okay, so before I go, I have a cute little joke, and it goes like this. What does a vegetarian get on their birthday? A carrot cake. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on how to draw a cute birthday cake. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.